Alright, yes guys, I've got the balcony door open at the moment, so that's probably why you might be able to hear, some people outside doing a few bits and bobs, like they're building some sort of villa next to the villa I'm staying in at the moment. But guys, I have not started recording today for the charts, and yes, I've changed my chart colours, they have changed. I don't know if you guys find it easier to read, but I do. We have white instead of green, and the red's gone more dark red, and the background has gone from black to a gradient of a dark grey. It sits on my eyes a lot easier to monitor price through the day. And the reason why I haven't started recording is because we've had a day of boring price action. So far this week, I took a trade on Monday to secure 35 handles. I took a trade yesterday to lose 15 points. And so far today, I've not actually seen anything of interest. So originally I had leaning towards more of a bullish bias because around the New York Open we dipped into the daily bullish gap around this area here. From that point we're going to assume the daily is currently bullish until we meet the previous day high, which you'll see is going to be previous day high. So traded back into the daily bullish gap, the draw is going to be previous high. That's something we've already established. Now on the 4-hour time frame, what we have seen is that price traded back into the 4-hour bullish gap. These bullish gaps got inversed, therefore the draw is technically lower towards previous day low. So that's one thing that I didn't like to see, is that we did inverse these 4-hour bullish gaps. However, on the hourly time frame, we traded back into this hourly bullish gap, which didn't get inversed. It got inversed on the 4, but not on the hourly. We have an hourly bullish gap, as you guys can see here, paired with this mitigation. So possibility that inside of the lunch macro today, we might get a sweep of the previous high. This is what I'm anticipating for lunch as of now. So I'm anticipating that ES will have some sort of SMT because it sits lower than NQ as of now. NQ will take out this previous high, and then from that point we can then look for a run on stops inside of lunch. So possibly a run on sell stops, or price returns back to a discount of this unfilled 15. So as of now, I've got more of a draw on the New York Open, the unfilled 15, preferably taking out buy side, bearish SMT for ES. That's what I'm thinking for the lunch macro as of now. So far today, I've not taken any trades. So I was leaning towards more of a bullish bias today. But straight at the New York Open, we gapped up immediately. And then inside of macro, I'm not going to be looking to take longs once price already ran into a premium. So the only thing we can do as of now is mark out this previous high. And then also look to see if we have any clean sets of Asia highs that we could look to mark out as well. So we got a set of Asia highs just resting above that previous high. So if we take Asia highs, and then we can monitor the higher time frame to see if our bias would be bearish as well, and see if we get any opportunities to take shorts to come back to a discount. Okay, so as you guys can see, we've now taken out Asia highs and also this previous high. What has that given us? Well, as predicted, it was quite obvious because ES was lacking a little further behind. As of now, I would actually like to see an opportunity for shorts, either inside of this second day of macro. If not, we'll have to wait for the lunch macro, which would likely give us an opportunity. So we've taken Asia highs. We have a bearish SMT at this high for ES as it currently stands. If ES takes out the high, I'm still going to be looking for shorts. It doesn't matter at all. And SMT is only a confluence. So now let's see whether we get any opportunities for shorts in the next 15 minutes. If not, we can always wait for the lunch macro as well.